Hello, welcome, I'm Denny. This is what we're going to be making today, and it's a tool bag, and it's something that I created about 5 years ago to take to classes to put rotary cutters and things onto them. So what you need is, and I'm never fussy about the fabrics that I use, you need 6 odd charm squares, 2 pieces of fabric about an inch, 3.5 inches in width, a zip, and I always use a bigger zip, and in this case it's a 14-inch zip. Some batting, and I'm never fussy about the batting, I'm using needle punch. Iron-on Violane for your lining, and you need a lining, and you need a tab for the ends of the zipper, which I'll show you how to make that and how to do that. You need your rulers and a cutter. I have to say this is by far my most favourite cutter. These have all been joined, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the edges off them. That's the first thing I'm going to do. And I like for it to be the length of my 12.5-inch ruler. So I'm just going to cut those bits off the end. Right, that's done. And then I'm going to cut this here 2.5 inches up from the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to flip them around like this. And I'm going to go away and I'm going to sew, and I always put, I've used a selvage here. It's just because then I know that it's my tool bags that I've made. So in this case today I've made a little sign that says my tool bag. So I'm going to sew all this together, fit that in, and then we'll come back and we'll do all the rest of it. I made the signing board out of a old chopping board with a bit of batting and some fleece, and it's great for taking to classes. And in this case I'm just going to use this just to press this here so it's all nice and lovely. This is the piece that you cut the little piece, and this is the bit that goes along the bottom. Now I just want to show you, I'm going to quilt these with the batting. I like to use some glue. You could use some spray on basting stuff, whatever you want to use, but I'm just because I don't want it to move around too much, because I only do very simple quilting on these. And this just stops them from moving around while you're sewing on the batting. And I just give it a good hard press down. while we've been away, I've joined everything up and the batting's on, and I've quilted it on the front and the back, and that's all lovely. I've prepared the lining with iron-on interfacing, and I just do a running stitch. If you can bring that up close and have a look, it just keeps it together nicely, and that's all done. I've got together a little something just to put on the side of it, and we've got the zip to do. So just a few housekeeping things. These are friction pens, and they're available now in a variety of colours at the supermarket. So I just pop them in the groceries when the husband's not looking, and I have quite a few now. See, all colours, lovely. So let's go and have some lunch. Thank you.